Good evening, dear student. In yesterday's video we have seen the formation of the image by convex lens for various positions of the object. We saw that the nature of the image formed by convex lens depend on the position of the object. Today we shall see how does a concave lens forms the image, and we will also see whether the nature of the image formed by this lens would depend on the position of the object or not. Let's see. For the first position, we consider that the object is at infinity. Now, when the object is at infinity, the rays coming from the object are parallel to each other, and they are also parallel to the principal axis. Now, this is a diverging lens. So, the rays of the light after reflection from the lens will diverge. So these are incident ray and these are reflected ray. Now when these rays are produced big, they appear to come from principal focus of the lens. So since these rays appear to come from this point, this is the image of the object at infinity. Now since these rays are not actually coming from this point, so image formed by this lens is virtual, and a virtual image is always erect, right upside, and diminished. So when the object is at infinity, the image formed by concave lens is virtual, erect, and diminished, and the image is formed at the principal focus. Now let us see whether the nature of the image will change or not if the position of the object is changed. Now we are moving the object closer to the lens. Now we have moved the object closer to the lens. This is an extended object A. Now we have seen that we will take two rays of the light from the object to obtain the image formed by the lens. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis and after refraction from the lens it will diverge, but when it is produced back it appears to come from the principal focus. We will take another ray that passes through the optical center and it goes without any deviation. So this is incident ray, this is refracted. Now you can see that these two refracted rays appear to be coming from this point. So this is the image of the object. Now you can see whatever be the position of the object, a concave lens always forms virtual, erect and smaller image. चाहे ऑब्जेक्ट कहीं भी हो, इमेज के नेचर में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आएगा. इमेज वर्चुअल ही होगी, इरेक्ट होगी और ऑब्जेक्ट से हमेशा छोटी होगी. तो a concave lens always forms virtual, erect and smaller image, whatever be the position of object. Now we discuss uses of lenses. A convex lens is used as simple microscope or magnifying glass. Principle is that when the object is between optical center and principal focus, the convex lens forms virtual, erect and highly magnified image. ये मैंने कल भी आपको डिस्कस किया था. तो एक कन्वेक्स लेंस को मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास या सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप के रूप में यूज किया जाता है. Convex lens is used in compound microscope. In a simple compound microscope, we use two lenses, one objective which is toward the object and one eyepiece, and both the lenses are convex lens. तो लेबोरेटरीज में जो convex जो compound microscope यूज किया जाता है, that also uses convex lens. Number 3, a convex lens is used in photographic camera. It is used in slide projectors. A convex lens is also used to correct a defect of the eye which is called hypermetropia, to correct hypermetropia. This is the defect of eye in which a person can see distant object distinctly but is unable to see nearby objects. ऐसे व्यक्ति को जिसको हाइपरमेट्रोपिया होता है, दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट तो साफ साफ दिख जाते हैं लेकिन पास के ऑब्जेक्ट को ठीक से नहीं देख पाता। ऐसे व्यक्ति के चश्मे में कन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज किया जाता है। A concave lens is used in terrestrial telescopes. Terrestrial telescopes which are used to see objects on the earth, उनको terrestrial planets के terrestrial telescope कहते हैं। terrestrial telescope के अंदर concave lens का यूज किया जाता है। And a concave lens is also used to correct a defect of eye which is called myopia. It is that defect of eye in which a person can see near objects. पास का तो उसको ठीक से दिखता है, but he or she is unable to see distant object, लेकिन दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट उसको ठीक से दिखाई नहीं दे। That's all today's. Tomorrow we shall discuss some more points. Thank you.